Welcome to this beginner's guide for the Canon 700D or T5i. So on the top of the camera is the power switch. If you switch it up once, that would turn the camera on. There's also a movie mode if you switch it up twice, but to turn on the camera, you switch it up to the on position. To the left of the power switch, you have the mode dial. I'll cycle through those to get the different modes that this camera offers. Now, this small window on the back, just above the LCD screen, is the viewfinder. Use that to look through when taking photos. Now, to the right of the viewfinder, you'll see the live view button. When you press that, you can see what the camera sees on the screen behind. Now, the playback button is situated towards the bottom of the camera. After you've taken a photo, you press this button to check your playback. Now, turning the camera to the side, you can see this portion of the camera, which is the lens. Now, the lens has four main parts to it. So you have the autofocus, manual focus switch. You can only move the focus ring when it's in manual focus mode. You can zoom in and zoom out using the large area there. And you also have a stabilizer on-off switch as previously mentioned. Now, just to the right of the lens, you have this lens release button. When you press and hold and turn it slightly to the left, you can see the actual single lens reflex inside the camera. Please do not change the lens unless you're feeling very confident to do so. To put the lens back on, you match up the white squares and you turn it to the right and to the left. Now, to take photos, it's this shiny button up here called the shutter release button. If you half press it, it autofocus, and fully press it to take the actual photo. On this particular model, the LCD screen at the back actually comes out and you can rotate it up and down, and it's really good to get into hard to reach areas where you can't always see the back of the screen. And there you have it. That's the beginner's guide to the 700D or the T5i.